Let's play Santa Claus Is Coming to Town. Now let's check out the playing pattern for this song. The playing pattern for a full bar is gonna be a left, right, left, left, right. For a half bar is gonna be a left, right. Now let's play chorus first. Slowly G chord go, you better watch out. And C chord, better not cry. Back to G chord, you better not pout. I C chord, telling you why. How about G, Santa? How about E minor, Claus is? How about A minor, coming? How about D, 2? One about G, town. One about G again. Now let's play chorus. Smoothly, ready, and we go.
You
G
better watch out.
to C.
You better not cry.
G again.
You better not pout.
To C.
I'm telling you
Half bar coming
why.
up. How about G? How about E minor?
Claus
How
is
about A?
coming
How about D? Back to G
town.
and G. Hey there, loving this tutorial? Then you've got to check out my Christmas song ebook. It's packed with 32 holiday tunes, complete with chords, chord charts, song lyrics, and playing patterns to make your life easy. Download instantly so you can bring it to your parties, jam with your friends, or just add some Christmas vibes to your home. Grab your copy now in the description link below. Now let's play chorus 2. Slowly G chord go. He's making a list and C chord. Checking it twice. G chord. Gonna find out who's C chord. Naughty and nice. How about G, Santa? How about E minor, Claus is? How about A minor, coming? How about D, 2? And G, town. G chord again. Let's play chorus 2. Smoothly, ready, go. And
He's
G
making a list
to
and
C.
checking it twice.
Back to
Gotta
G
find out who's
and C.
naughty and
How about coming out?
nice.
How about G? How about E minor?
Santa
How about A
Claus
minor?
is
How about D? Back to
coming
G.
town.
G again. Let's go the next part of the song. Slowly and we go. He C G chord when you're and C chord sleeping. He G chord knows when you're a C chord wake. He A major knows if you've been D chord bad or good. So be A major, good for goodness, D chord sake. Let's play this part. Smoothly, ready, and we go. Now
He
G
sees you when you're
to C.
sleeping.
To
He
G.
knows when you're
C again.
awake. He
And A.
knows if you've been
To D.
bad or good.
Back
So
to
be good
A.
for
To D.
goodness sake.
Now let's play the full song. Smoothly, ready, and we go.
You
G
better watch out.
and
You
C.
better not cry. You
G.
better not pout. I'm
C.
telling you why.
Have a bar of G.
Santa
Have a bar of E minor.
Claus
Have a
is
bar of A minor.
coming
Have a bar of D. To G.
town.
G again. Chorus 2. And
He's
G
making a list
to
and
C.
checking it twice.
and G
Gotta find out
to
who's
C.
naughty and
How about coming out?
nice.
How about G?
Santa
How about E minor?
Claus
How
is
about A minor? How
coming
about D? Back to G.
town.
G again. Next part. Let's go.
He
G
sees you when
to
you're
C.
sleeping. He
To G.
knows when you're
to C.
awake.
Go to
He
A.
knows if you've
To
been
D.
bad or good. So
To
be
A.
good for goodness
Back to D.
sake.
Let's go back. Chorus. G
Better watch out.
and
You
C.
better not cry. You
G
better not pout. I'm
to C.
telling you
How about
why.
of G? How about E minor?
Claus
How about A
is
minor?
coming
How about D? Back to G.
town.
G again. And on G. Hey there, thanks for watching and I hope you find this video helpful. I've got more piano techniques, music theory and tutorials coming your way, so stay tuned. If you think this channel is helping you reignite your passion for piano playing, do like and subscribe and I will see you in the next video.